So here we are again. It is another 2.5 liter 4-cylinder Jeep engine we're working on right now. We did the tear down. The thing's all grease balled, so we're in the process of cleaning it. Anyways, right now we're going to remove the camshaft bearings. So come over here and have a look. The camshaft goes in this hole and it rides along these bearings. And there's a number of bearings. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 bearings that the camshaft rides in. And as the engine's spinning and turning and everything, it just rotates inside here. But when you're doing an engine rebuild, these are really, easy to replace and they're inexpensive. So I always do replace them. But this is the tool I use. It's made by Lisle. Come over here and look right here. This is the Lisle model 18,000. And this is a really great tool. The guys over at Lisle make really nice quality tools. There's a number of different sizes that you can deal with for all the different size of camshafts and an extension. So, but on this little engine, all we need is this guy with the right size thing. So what you put in there is you put in the piece that's just barely smaller than the camshaft bearing you're trying to remove, and then you rotate it clockwise until it's nice and snug in there. All right, and then you just can pound it out. There it is. So you see in here, this camshaft bearing is starting to disintegrate. Really common. Just the life of these things is not, for multiple engine rebuilds. You replace them. Let's put it over here. All right, so then you go on to the next one. Same thing. You just spin it until it's nice and tight. Since we have this little cone to keep it, in line. Same thing. Pound out the bearing. There it is. This one is just dirty. Oh, looks like some rocks got in this one eventually. If you look right here, all those little striations right there. So the camshaft was spinning this way, and as the oil would come up through this hole, it looks like it would bring in like some rocks or little pebbles, itty bitty pieces, and it would go along with the camshaft and score it up. Let's go to the next one. The same thing. You just turn it until it's tight. You put the cone against the engine block. Here's this one. Same thing on this one. Also evidence of little microscopic rock things getting in there. And then the last one. This one was not in the greatest of condition either. You can expect that. Who knows how many miles were on this engine? The guy that I got it from, he said there were 180,000, but you never know. It wasn't in the vehicle when I got it, so he could have told me 50,000, and it wouldn't have even surprised me. But anyways, that's how you remove camshaft bearings. You use this fancy little tool. It allows you to keep it straight in line with the camshaft bore. Just like that. Just like that. Thanks for tuning in.